My dear student, today now we are going to this classes in the modelizing question paper, second languages. So in this the videos I have to interesting really. Please kindly to requested subscribe please. Then here this two word or then here this two question modelizes in the first of this question paper. Then you have this the grammar to very interestingly, then this the answer the following to this the question I have to the discuss someone early. Now we are the Kolara district and are always and should be were there and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and where is there in another of the chapter. So lesson he had the profiles and then this is story development of the story, picture description, and then had the question, acquired the memory as well, very important, or then as a qualities of mercy, and then there is the blind boy, and new of the passage, and just only for two question, only 4 marks. Then answer the following. So the 4 marks question I have to the George poem 2 and the grandma summary. Now we are the focus for to your then this the grandma summary to every question paper should be your confirm. Do you interestingly to grandma summary there or so after well then in letter writings COVID-19 and shave the water internet using and letter writings the very important Advik and Aditi in the studying in the government ISOL KGF, then writing editor and this newspaper, then he regularly use of your the area and official letter, write a letter to the father and think him this is the birthday gift and he sent. Then personal letter, that one. The last one is the official letter. Now we have this question paper number modelizing number 2. There is a second languages. We have to the 16 question marks in then you have to the grammar. The first one on the cannot decide the word as completed with the infinitive. Where going to in the imperatives, then had the second one is the identify this the function languages, very interesting. Then we had the third one is there, if class and Rajiv and doctor and using this question tag very interestingly, and column and words which the syllable of the word and choose in the field giving the bracket DDOs and filling the suitable this the preposition, will be this linking of the work and definitions of the working and passage and active voice and passive voice, and given the one words and changes the into the substrate in the superative degrees after now 3 degrees, positive degree, comparative degree, and is superative degree. Fill in the blanks with the articles everyone due to have this on this the articles. Fill in the blanks, B plus award, then this doctorate degrees. B had Swami was awarded. It is means is very known is that. So singular reported speech. Gopal says, Sundar is my friend. Gopal asked, then Sundar is my friend that me no and ಆಗುತ್ತೆ down have this the went and this the verbal that. So next one this the editings of the work, the adval mistakes, and then next spelling mistake. Now we have the 7 question and 2 question answers supplementary reading. Then this 3 marks are the question the song of India and despite it this is part of here. Then reading the extraordinary this the questions the follows, from this is the now the next month, and then this is the extraordinary questions very into chacha can I brave to mobile here. Then this there is a girl by the tracks. From this the next month I sleep in the Alamto for the Swam A hero. Those American Benegenta now had the arrive in media. Nervous I had asked deeming it my task. This one there very interesting. This is the extruded of the question. Now then this the question modelizing question to year, the story development organized to one this the story year. The third one is the question paper. Listen to me. The 16 question are organizer, and now we are this going to on very interestingly. So every should be your right, story development. Two is the quiet memory, and there is the letter writings. Everyone then you are using to related you are this question model question paper number 4. Then another risings the chapter to working on the coordinated working the practice useful to you this 17 question to targeted do one thing to everyone should be your right the organized to this the entirely this start for the story development. We showed the circle to this the passes and letter writing 4 marks as question and they we had this the going to this the fifth one this is chapter regularly to this organized there. Now enter this the part of work and should you write no one consider time here the part of the working and written to this the writing and the road I have the considered to time. Then this is the sixth one this the question paper to the right to this the languages to organize it this is the entire right now this is the comparison this 16 of the marks. Now we are going to this entirely this part of the work and this is the following to this the question paper this 7th quadrilization and work and territories is the manner that this considered and the pages are working and the writing to work and should be or then this literating this story development and organizer. Now everybody should be or the right is the very good of understanding. Then you are this very well to this way or the considered to the practice and momented. Now we are the student were this interesting of the videos, so have to the subscribe to here. Please kindly to requested ನಿಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗೂ ಲೈಕನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ದೆನ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಬಟನ್ಸನ್ನು ಒತ್ತುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡಿ ಎಂದು ತಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್.